Good morning, students. Today is going to be very exciting. We are going to have lot of action as we are going to study the next chapter, verbs. Open your grammar books on page number 22. Verbs are words that tell us what a person, animal, or thing is doing. Verbs show action, so they are called action words or doing words. See this child, what is the child doing? Paint. What is this girl doing? Smell. And what is this bird doing? Fly. And what about this monkey? Swing. So now the first exercise, you are going to color the words that are action words, the verbs. Now all of you hurry and color these boxes in different colors and make your page look beautiful. You have to color the action words only. Next question is connect each noun to all the correct verb. First one is already done for you. Girl reads, crawls, sleeps. Second one water flows and boils. Third one elephant, it trumpets and eats. Fourth one owl flies and hoots. Fifth one dog jumps and barks. Sixth one baby smiles and eats. Seventh one ball bounces rolls. Eighth one snake stings hisses. All of you have done that. Now turn the page and we come to the next exercise, and that is fill in the blanks with the correct verbs. First one is Nido is dash on the phone. So what is she doing? Talking on the phone. Amit is dash in the river. So what is Amit doing? See, look at the picture. He is swimming in the river. Asmi and Tia are dash with the ball. What are they doing? They are playing with the ball. Then Swami is dash clothes. So what is Swami doing? Washing clothes. Salim is dash in a chair. So what is Salim doing? Salim is sitting in a chair. Now we come to the next exercise, that is tick the correct action words to complete these sentences. So they have given you the option. You have to tick the correct option. Yuvraj is running, rolling to catch the ball. So which one is correct? Running. Amina is reading, singing a book. So correct one is reading. Jack is talking, climbing up the beanstalk. So it is climbing. The captain of the team is eating, throwing the ball. So the captain will throw the ball. The baby is crawling, flying towards its mother. So correct option is crawling. Pushpa was collecting, climbing dried twigs. So correct option is collecting. The child was crying, laughing with joy. So the child was laughing with joy. The monkey is swinging, singing from tree to tree. So here the correct option is swinging. Then ninth one, Clara was playing, singing the piano. So the correct option is playing the piano. Then we come to the next exercise, that is underline the verbs in these sentences. So they have given you the sentence. Now you have to see which is the action word here. First one is Samira watches TV in the evening. So action word is watches. Second one, Shekhar goes to school by the school bus. So the action word is goes. Rakesh cleans the window in my building. So action word is cleans. The postman delivers letters to the people. So action word is delivers. Sheetal carries a big bag to school. Here the action word is carries. Sixth one, Manish makes cute puppets. Action word is makes. Seventh one, Monal plays the trumpet in her school band. So action word is plays. Number 8, father washed the plates after dinner. So action word is washed. Ninth, Hassan packed his suitcase to go to Shimla. So the verb here is packed. 10th one, the ball rolled down the stairs. So verb is rolled. 11th one, Rajat flew kites on 15th August. So verb here is flew. 12th, everyone clapped for the little girl. So action word is clapped. Now students, this exercise is going to be great fun. Find verbs in the word search and complete these sentences. All of you will do this for your homework. And now turn the page. We come to the next topic. Is, am and are forms of verbs. Be. We use is, am, are to talk about something that is happening now or to talk about a person or a thing in the present time. Students, now when do we use is? We use is when we talk about one person or a thing. Example, Renu is an artist. She is working. Now, when do we use am? We use am when we talk about ourselves. Example, I am a cricketer. I am playing. Now, when do you use are? We use are when we talk about two or more persons or things. Example, we are students. We are studying. We use was and were to talk about something that has already happened. Is, am, are we were using for things that was happening in the present time. Now we are using was and were to talk about something that has already happened. It is all over. We use was to talk about one person or thing. And we use were to talk about more than one person or thing. For example, Saras was the winner last year. And for more than one person, we will use were. The farmer's cows were grazing in the field. Now, students, let's attempt G exercise to understand this more clearly. Rewrite these sentences using is, am, or are correctly. The first sentence is already done for you. There many flowers on this branch. So for more than one, we will use the word are. There are many flowers on this branch. Second one, this book heavy. So for one thing, we will use is. This book is heavy. Third one, the water bottles empty. Now bottles are more than one. So we will use the word are. The water bottles are empty. Fourth one, the room empty. So again here it is one room. So we will use the word is. The room is empty. Fifth one, my name Shafiq. Now again this is one. So we will use is. My name is Safiq. Sixth one, I finishing my homework. So here with I we will always use am. I am finishing my homework. Seventh one, there no apples in the fridge. So what we will write? There are no apples in the fridge. Eighth one, Shahid helping his mother. So Shahid is one person. So we will use the verb is. Shahid is helping his mother. Ninth one, the house very old. Again this is one. So what we will use is. The house is very old. Tenth one, my new classmates friendly. So classmates are more than one. So here we will use the verb are. My new classmates are friendly. So all of you have done that. Have you understood when to use is, am or are. Okay, now you do the next exercise for your homework. Now we will study when to use has and have. So, we use has and have to show that something belongs to someone. It is possession, it shows possession. We use has when we talk about one person, animal, or thing. Example, Riaz has a nice house. We use have with I, we, you, or when we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing. All of you underline this in your book. This is very important. With I, don't use has. I has. We will always use with I have. Example, both the teams have uniforms. We have a blue uniform. We use had when we talk about the past. Have we are using in present tense and had we are using in past tense. The action is over, then we are using had. Example, Peter had curly hair. Okay, that is clear when to use has and have. Now hurry, all of you attempt I and J exercise in your textbooks, and after you complete, check the answers with me. Okay, so all of you, we meet again very soon in our next video. Till then, bye, be good children.